Hello friends, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel by Florence Tracker. In today's video I am going to show you how to make bay leaf tea. This is a medicinal herbal that not many people know the benefits of this bay leaf, and so today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple tea with the bay leaf. Can help you kill germs, viruses and fungus when you bay leaf. And bay leaf also is something that when you put it in your meals helps with your digestive system, but I know people are scared of anything like leaves, things like this, so I'm going to show you how to make a simple tea with this that is very helpful for the body. And I will show you that this can be, you can chew this as well as you see me. With the dry leaves like that, it's very bitter, but it does have the medicinal, and not many people would like to do that. So if you cannot chew the bay leaf, the dry bay leaves like that, we can just make a tea from this and drink this for us to be able to enjoy the benefits of this. So that's what I'm going to be making today. So stay with me as I show you how you can do this. This can be drink early in the morning into an empty stomach, or the last thing before you go to bed. So stay with me as I put all this together. See you. Okay, so in today's video that we are going to be making this bay leaf tea, you can see I have 5 bay leaves here, and I'm going to wash them here. This really is good for you because bay leaf is really good. It kills fungi, parasites, infections, and then virus. As we eat, there are so many parasites that is in our intestines, stomach, that get us sick sometimes, certain things we eat. And if you are drinking this all the time, it really helps. So I'm going to put this, once I finish washing it, put it in the pan here, and I'm going to put the heat on high. I'm going to put in 1 glass of water, and we are going to boil this for 10 minutes. All right, so I'm going to cover this now, and we are going to boil this for 10 minutes until it boils vigorously with the water and everything, and it's going to dissolve, and then we are going to drink this tea. One thing about bay leaf is it's really cleanse your body. It's really good for you. When you chew the leaves like that I just chewed, it's very, very bitter, and not many people would like to chew it like that. So if you cannot chew the bay leaves, then we are just going to brew the tea and then enjoy the tea like the natural form of that tea. And so we are going to leave this to boil for 10 minutes, and we are going to come back here and I will show you how to do everything. So the tea has been boiling for a while now, and we are just gonna let it boil. We still have about 1 minute, almost 1 minute, and it should be ready. Okay, there goes our alarm, so that means 10 minutes has passed now. I'll turn that heat on, and what I'm gonna do is I am going to just pour this in here with the leaves. Can just cover this up a little bit, and what you can do, you can leave this to cool down before you drink it. And you can leave the leaves in like that. It doesn't hurt anything. And this is really, I can smell the aroma and everything that can. And remember that this is really, really healthy tea that you can drink. This really cleanses your body. This really, it helps with asthma. If you have asthma, this helps with cold. If you have a cold, it really helps. The bay leaves brew tea is really good, and it cleanses everything. If you have virus, this really helps with virus. The benefit of this tea is very, very enormous. Not many people knows how the bay leaf tea really helps with our body. It's very medicinal. and it's very healthy. And if you can drink this every morning into your empty stomach before you eat anything else, or after meal before you go to bed, you can see the difference that it makes. It really opens up your arteries, your passage. It helps with the bronchopulmonary passages. This bay leaf really cures bronchitis, and it helps with like a flu kind. You starting to feel like you are having flu or a cold. This is really good to drink. And so you can have this sit down to cool before you drink it. But I am going to drink this a little bit warmer because I love my teas to be warm. So let me show you how this tastes like. Hello friends, so we just finished making our bay leaf tea, and I'm going to give it a taste. I can smell the aroma that is coming from it. This is just a tea. We didn't put any sweetness, anything in it. You don't want to put anything in here. Just the brew tea like this, and just let it cool down and drink. For me, I like it to be a little bit warm, hot, so I'm drinking mine like this. But if you don't want hot tea, you can just let it sit before you drink it. Just leave the bay leaf in like this, and you can see it didn't change too much color, but everything is infused in the water because we boil it for 10 minutes for it. And I can smell the aroma that is coming from the bay leaf, and with the water as well, the tea itself, you can taste the bay leaf in it. Like I said, this is really cleansing the body. You can drink this in the morning into empty stomach before you eat anything else, or after, or an hour before you are going to bed, or an hour before you eat something in the morning. Just drink this and you can see the difference that it will make. There is so many benefits, healthy benefits of bay leaves, but not many people know. People just think that you can just put this in food and that's it. But this can actually be used as a tea, a morning tea that really helps cleanse the body. If you have cold, this helps you. If you have flu, bay leaf tea will help you and to cleanse all that are out of your system. And so this is good for viruses, for stomach, intestine issues with your tummy. This is really helpful. And you want to try and use herbal medicines, things that you already have that you can use to keep yourself healthy, to help you to cleanse your body. All the food that we eat, we have all the things that we accumulate, all the toxic that we accumulate in our body, that makes our body bloat. So drinking things like this helps reduce all that, cleanse your body all the time, so you don't accumulate too much toxic, too much fat in the body. So this bay leaf tea, I would love you to try it. Let me know what you think about it. Don't add any sweetness to it. Just drink it plain like this, natural form, to get the benefit the body needs. So thank you. If this helps you anyway, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also share, comment, like. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as always. I thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy. Try to do things that will benefit your body. Try to eat good things. Try to take care of your body to stay healthy. And I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy. Bye bye.